Every team is made up of two key elements: channels and tabs. Channels appear in the left rail of your team. Channels are used to organize your team into subtopics. By default, every team has a general channel. This is where you'll find general notifications and content. Then your team will include channels that your lecturer has set up to support your learning. Each channel has its own unique set of tabs. Tabs appear at the top of the team's canvas. By default, every channel in every type of team has a Posts and Files tab. This means that every conversation you have in a channel and all files you upload and collaborate on in a channel can only be accessed in that channel. Your General channel may also include Class Notebook, Assignments and Grades tabs. These tabs are only available in the General channel. Tabs can be used for a range of other content, such as relevant websites, articles and sources for you to study, documents for you to collaborate on, and interactive apps, such as forms and quizzes. The Posts tab in each channel can be used for conversations with other members of the team, your tutors and other students. The conversations in each channel should be relevant to the topic of that channel. For example, a channel about assessments should be used to discuss any assessments you've been set. The Files tab in each channel can be used to create, edit and access important files that are relevant to the topic of that channel. For example, a channel for group work can be used to create and edit project files for your group.